Meaning of glad rags.
Glad rags.
Glad rags.
Glad rags.
Glad rags. Glad rags is a colloquial expression that refers to one's best or fanciest clothes, often worn for a special occasion. The term originated in the early 1900s and has remained popular in English-speaking countries. People would often put on their glad rags to attend parties, social events, or when they wanted to impress someone. It's an upbeat phrase that carries a sense of excitement and anticipation. In essence, glad rags represent the idea of dressing up and looking your best, which can boost one's confidence and create a positive impression on others.